channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Debbie in the building as always. So guys, our Christmas clothes is here. Yay! Can you see that? Can you see that? So guys, I ordered some clothes from Shein and it just came. Yeah, I ordered it during that Black Friday sales, you know, and it just came in. Yay! So I want to quickly unbox it in front of you guys. Yay! 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 I ordered so many clothes, guys. Mostly my kids' clothes. Mostly my kids' clothes, in fact, and just my own. Just one. This is the only thing I actually ordered for myself. This is a hoodie, red hoodie. Can you see? Oh my god, I love this. It's so warm. Oh my god, I'm loving it. See the inside? It's thick enough. Very, very affordable rating. I got this for, I think, 10 euros. I got this for 10 euros. Can you see? Yeah. And another one. Oh my god. I don't want this video to be too long, guys. Nathan has been cranky. Can you see this? This is warmer with this for the neck. I don't know what they call it. Let me know what they call this in the comment section. Can you see it? This thing they put on the neck. It came with a hat. I got this for summer dinner. And this. Wow, this shirt, black shirt. I actually got this for Nathan, but I think it's quite big. Someone that can as well wear it because it's big. And this one again, can you see this shirt? Wow, guys, all these pants, that's trousers. I got them for I think 3 euros. So things are just so affordable on Shein that I was just ordering. Can you see that? This is for Nathan. Nana, this one is actually your size. I was even scared that it might not be your size, but it's your size, baby. Can you see? So cute. I'm loving this, and it's thick. It's thick. Very good for the weather, you know. And this trouser, oh my god, this trouser is so thick, very thick. This is for summer dinner. Oh my god, I'm loving this. So thick. I was scared that they might not be thick enough for the weather, but they are actually thick, and I'm loving the material. This is my hairband. I ordered hairband. As the queen of hairbands, you know. So I need more hairbands. So this is another one. Can you see this? Wow, this is not the exact color I saw. I saw a very dark blue, but it's kind of light blue, but it's okay. It's thick. It's okay. And this, whoa, this is for Nathan. I ordered 2 red shorts. This is for Nathan, and then this for Samantha. Can you see? Oh my god, I'm loving this Nathan zone. It's like this one is thicker, very thick, just perfect for the weather, guys. I'm so loving all these things I ordered. With the price, I was scared that it will not be thick, you know, because it was very, very affordable. Very, very affordable. See this one. This is one of the shorts I love so much. I just love the color, everything, you know. It's thick. Oh my god, I'm loving all this. I'm loving all this. Oh my god. And this, again, this one is not that thick. I think this is light. It will be good for sleeping, you know. Oh my god, guys, I just want a hair. See another hairband. I ordered this hairband. This hairband. Oh my god. I just decided to go for something, you know, that looks so different. You come. Don't cry, okay? And this one is for some Madina. Yeah, I'm loving this. It's so thick, you know, very perfect for the weather. Yeah, and I got this for Nathan. They wrote my first Christmas on it. Yeah, because this Christmas is actually Nathan's first Christmas. It's a hoodie, can you see? Very cute. They wrote my first Christmas, and this is the shorts. The pants, I say short. The trouser. It's like I've been calling all these trousers short. Guys, make una bear with me. Confusion then this head. And this one is thick. This one is thicker than this one. This one is thicker than this. And this for Samadina is a hoodie. Can you see? Oh my god. And this for Samadina. Can you see those? And this one is for Nathan. This one is for Nathan. So guys, that is all. This one I'll not be showing you guys. This one is the one I got for my husband. This is the Christmas gift I got for my husband. I'll not be opening it. It's just a hoodie and a trouser. You know, all see, plenty clothes. See. All for my kids. So the only thing I ordered for myself is this. Can you see? I only got this for myself, and then got this for my hubby. Can you see? Others are just my kids' clothes. I'm so happy they are here. I was scared they won't come early enough. Okay, I think one thing is the remaining, because all of them did not come at the same time. Some came earlier before the other. Wait, I think. Yeah. So all of them did not actually come at the same time. You know, the last one just came in. Then the first set came last week. Yeah, last week Monday. Today is what? No, last week Thursday. The first set came in last week Thursday. So I think this is the last. This one came last week Thursday with some of the ones I've already showed you guys. This is just a hoodie top with a trouser, like you see. This is for Nathan, but it's quite big for Nathan, but I don't mind. He will still wear it next winter. Most of the things I bought are so big for Nathan anyway, but he will still wear it next winter. That's 2022. So I don't want to buy something that will not be able to wear for a long time, you know. So I just decided to go for things that are big enough that will also last till next year, which is 2022. So guys, that is all I got. Someone that just woke up. Dan have been cranky today, although he woke up with a very high fever this morning. I gave him Takaprin, and the fever came down to 36.4. That's normal temperature, you know, because it was 38.5 when I checked his temperature in the morning. Because I touched him, his body was very hot. I decided to check his temperature, and I realized that it was very high. So I think it's because of his teeth, because he's teething. He's bringing out 3 teeth up. So I think that's why he's running temperature. Shein is now my best online shop now, guys. As in, I love Shein. I always get affordable things there with good quality, and the delivery is fast. These things came in 10 days. Yeah, the first one came in 5 days. The first set came in 5 days. Then the second set came in 10 days. So I just love that, you know, about Shein. Like, what is it? Oh yeah, clap. Clap for us now. Clap, baby. Good boy. Remove this now. Yeah, clap. Clap now. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Good boy. Clap very well. Right, clap for yourself. Clap for yourself now. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, I beg. Let me come and start arranging the goodness. So this our video don't long well. It don't long well. Abi? Eh? So guys, that is all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Please, if you like what you see, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and join my amazing family. Feel free to share the video, okay? Okay, my people. Yeah, please make sure share the video, eh? So